What's up guys, my name is Arena and welcome back to my channel where I review everything tech. Guys, I'm really excited because today I'm gonna open a box with a brand new Pixel 4. I have no idea which size and color Google has sent me. By the way, I'd like to thank Google for sending me this device. I've been waiting for this phone to come out for quite some time, so let's open the box. A little note from Google. A box inside another box. Let's take this away. So here it is, a box with the Pixel 4 and a box with the case. The Pixel 4 XL! Nice! Because I'm a fan of big displays. This box is very easy to open, such a small thing, but very appreciated. And it's white! Yay! Nice button. Wow, it looks so beautiful. The back of the phone is matte glass, looks amazing. By the way, the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL come in 3 colors. The official names are just black, clearly white, and also orange. On the right side there is a power button and the volume buttons, and on the left side we have a SIM tray. Now let's see what else is in the box. SIM tool, user guide. Next we have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, a quick switch adapter, and a USB-C power adapter. Guys, I'm really excited to open the next box with a case. Once again, it's a knit fabric case with soft microfiber lining inside. As usual, this case looks and feels really good. I think Google cases are definitely some of my favorite. So guys, when it comes to the display of the Pixel 4 XL, we have a 6.3-inch OLED display. The colors look great, the display looks pretty good when looking at it from different angles. By the way, this display has 90Hz refresh rate and it automatically adjusts between 60 and 90Hz depending on the content. The thing I noticed right away after setting up my Pixel 4 XL is how fast the Face Unlock works. It's practically instant. Thanks to Motion Sense, the new feature on the Pixel 4, which also lets you control your phone with gestures. Now you can skip between the tracks, snooze alarms, silence phone calls by swiping above the screen of your Pixel 4. In the beginning, I honestly felt a little skeptical about it, but guys, it really works. It's very intuitive and easy. And by the way, in case you were wondering, the Face Unlock is the only biometric identification on the phone, no fingerprint readers here. One of my favorite new features on the Pixel 4 is the new recorder. That aside from standard recording also transcribes your speech. So aside from an audio, you also get a transcript, which could be super convenient in many situations. Oh, I wish I had it on my phone when I was a student. And above it all, it works offline without an internet connection. Also, with the Pixel 4, you get a new Google Assistant. Now you can do many things on your phone like opening apps, searching within apps, and sharing across apps using just your voice. From my first impression, it works really well. We'll see how it performs as I test it out in the long run. The next thing I want to talk about is the camera. Unlike the previous Google Pixel models with a single camera, you get a dual camera on the Pixel 4. A 12.2 megapixel main camera and a 16 megapixel telephoto camera. With the new telephoto camera, you should be able to get more realistic looking portraits. Also, with the Pixel 4, you get a next generation night sight mode. I can't wait to test out the cameras of my Pixel 4 XL in the real world. So guys, stay tuned for my camera comparison videos. Speaking of the battery, we have 3700 mAh on the Pixel 4 XL and 2800 mAh on the Pixel 4. Google claims that the Pixel 4 has an adaptive 24-hour battery life that lasts all day, so we'll see how it works in the real world. When it comes to the audio, the Pixel 4 has stereo speakers. Right away I can say that they sound pretty loud, and of course there is no 3.5mm headphone jack like we had on the budget model Pixel 3a. The Google Pixel 4 is powered by Snapdragon 855, has 6GB of RAM, and starts from 64GB of unexpandable storage. So far the phone feels super snappy and smooth, and I haven't experienced any lag. The starting price for the Pixel 4 is $799 and $899 for the Pixel 4 XL if you choose the 64GB of storage, and the price goes up if you go for the 128GB models. Obviously, this was just a first impressions video, and I'm super excited to spend more time with this phone and get to know it better, so stay tuned for a comprehensive review as well as real-world camera comparisons. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and see you in the next one!